Hello traders. Today we are looking at the mini chart indicator for MetaTrader 4. This utility tool lets you embed a smaller chart within your main chart window, showing a different time frame or even a different symbol. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, you want to allow DLL imports, and there we go. You can see it by the side over here. Once loaded, a compact chart appears as an overlay on your main chart. This mini chart can display a different time frame of the same pair or an entirely different instrument. It updates in real time, giving you a second perspective without needing to open another chart window. The placement and size are adjustable, so it does not obstruct your primary analysis. As for the indicator settings, the settings include selecting the symbol and time frame for the mini chart, adjusting its position on the main chart, changing the size, and customizing the colors. You can also choose whether to show indicators on the mini chart and toggle various display elements on or off. Now, who's this for? This indicator is suited for traders who want multi-time frame or multi-symbol visibility on a single screen. It is a utility tool only and does not provide analytical signals or execute trades. The mini chart inherits data from your broker's feed, so its accuracy depends on your platform's data quality. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.